Okay, we're here in day 2. You can see the work behind us. That was day 1. We tore off the old roof and we put a new base sheet. We primed it and put a new base sheet. When we tore off the existing roof, there was an asphaltic board that we're going to reuse. It's also keeping their insulation. 2 savings costs, 1 to throw out, and 2 they get to keep their insulation. It's a big cost savings to the client. Day 2, we also have some shingles we're going to tie into. We also have some more roof we got to tear off there. So we'll show you what it looks like. We're going to show you how we prime the roof and we put the peel and stick membrane down. We'll show you when we come back. Thanks. Okay, welcome back. We finished off ripping that roof. You can go to the pan, take a look. That roof got done yesterday and the day before, and we are on the day 3, the second portion of this roof here. We've ripped it up. We've come into some decking issues. We had to replace some deck planks. You can see the tree on my left there fell on the home. So there was some issues that we had to fix. We are going to fasten down some soper board because we can't prime this without primer getting into the client's home. So we have to have some kind of separation. Fasten down some soper board, put some base sheet. You can see the shingles have been removed so we can properly bring our base sheet up under the shingles, because in the middle of winter we're going to have 2 feet of snow and ice sitting there. We want to make sure that detail is properly done. So we'll show you what it looks like when we put some base sheet. Thanks. Okay, so I just wanted to show you, we have the cap sheet now installed. You saw the installation of the base sheet. We're just going to weld the base, the lower membrane cap sheet to the top membrane cap sheet. And what we're doing, we're just fusing the asphalt together. Just using a Leister gun. You go along the seams until you see the asphalt bleed out. And now water can't penetrate back underneath the 2 layers of membrane. Legacy Flower Roofing and Sheet Metal, we finished the job. Job turned a wonderful 2,200 square foot residential project here in central London. Again, a tree fell on the house. This was an insurance job. Ripped up the whole roof, did some shingle tie-in here, put a new base sheet, cap sheet, welded it, new metal flashings. Hope you liked it, hope you learned something. If you're in London or southwestern Ontario, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.